Hey, Dr. Shoshany here. Yesterday I treated a competitive bodybuilder utilizing the Graston Technique, which is a form of instrument-assisted soft tissue mobilization. And in the bodybuilding world, it's being used a lot prior to a show. What it's doing, it's improving blood flow to the muscle. Muscles really need blood to really pop. And it's also helping to break up the fascial restriction. What is fascia? Fascia, I said in an earlier video, is basically like the pantyhose of the body. It helps keeps the muscles together. Sometimes the fascia will bind up and cause an adhesion. And an adhesion is basically a fancy way of saying a knot. When we Graston the big muscle groups like the lats or the traps, muscle moves better, blood returns to the muscle. Not only does it look better, but it functions better. Chiropractic and bodybuilding have always been closely intertwined all the way back from pumping iron when Arnold Schwarzenegger and his training partner Franco Columbu, who's still practicing today. Chiropractic and bodybuilding have always worked well together, but now what we're seeing is a lot of chiropractors are utilizing soft tissue techniques like the Graston technique, or I'm using in this video the rock blade to help get those big muscle groups moving better. So this patient obviously is not in a lot of pain. He's a very competitive bodybuilder. He's more coming in for performance. He wants to have his muscle groups look better, and what we're doing is here breaking up the fascia between these large muscle groups so those muscles could pop and move better. So although this is not a typical patient that we would see in our office, we have been seeing a lot of professional athletes, runners, people that depend on their muscles working properly. When we work with bodybuilders or people that are concerned about their physique, it's all about how that muscle looks, how that muscle performs, and how healthy those muscle groups are. So by utilizing the Graston technique or the rock blade or any other of the instrument-assisted soft tissue mobilization tools we use, we're improving blood flow to that muscle so that muscle will heal faster, look better, and perform better. And we've been using it for years now in people that have things like plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, rotator cuff injuries, but now we're seeing it more in the big muscle groups. So bodybuilders before going onto the stage, 2 days before their show, we're Grasting their pecs so their pecs will pop, or Grasting their whole lower back muscle so we could get that definition and that separation of those muscle groups. And that's what they're looking for, is we're looking for the beautiful muscle groups. This technique is the trifecta: form, function, and recovery. It makes the muscles look better, move better, and heal faster. So if you're a bodybuilder, and I know there's a lot of you out there in the New York area, my office is in Soho, come on in, we'll get you moving better, looking better, and feeling better.